In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can merge layers and merge items in Adobe Illustrator. So as you can see here, I have several layers, and on each layer I have another item. Let's say I want to merge layer 4 and layer 1. Then I select layer 4 and holding down the Ctrl or Command key, I select layer 1 and then I click on this hamburger icon and I choose Merge Selected. And now, as you can see, I have one layer with both of my polygons on it. So the polygons are still separate objects. We just merged the layers on which they were before together to get one layer. Now you can also merge objects, and to do that, I would suggest that you first put the objects where you want them to be and then select both objects. And now you can choose your shape builder tool and basically just draw a line through the items. And as you can see here in the layers window, because we made one object out of two objects on separate layers, they are now both on one layer because it's one object and one object cannot exist on two different layers. So if I Ctrl Command Z, as you can see here, I have my rectangle on layer 5 and my ellipse on layer 2. And when I go about with my shape builder tool, which is, as you can see, there is a plus icon next to my arrowhead, which means I'm uniting. If I then drag through them all, they are now both on layer 5 because it's one icon. You can also, if I put this one here and I select both my polygons, you can also use your Pathfinder tool. The way to do so then, let me put that one here. When you have both selected with the Pathfinder tool, you can say unite, and when you unite them, as you can see here, we get one object. But, Ctrl Command Z for this one, you can also, and it's not really merging them, but it's sort of merging them, but because the little polygon is in front of the big polygon, if I choose the exclude option, it will exclude the little one from the big one, and we still have one compound path, so you sort of united them, but not really. But anywho, that's the way to first merge layers. So select both layers with Control or Command. If you have multiple layers, you can hold the Shift key to select them all, and then go to the hamburger icon and choose Merge Selected. And now you have one layer with all your icons on it. If you want to merge objects, you can do so using the Shape Builder tool or the Pathfinder tool, Unite or Exclude. That was a quick tutorial on how you can merge layers and objects in Adobe Illustrator. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you liked the video, press the like button if you did, press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos, new videos going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.